A ground lease is a long-term lease of land, often commercial property, in which the lessee makes improvements to the land, including constructing buildings. A ground lease's rent calculation formula landed the parties in court over contract interpretation in Berg v. Hudesman. A landlord, Orville Berg, and tenant, David Hudesman, executed a 99-year ground lease. Hudesman agreed to pay Berg annual rent. Hudesman would also pay Berg 10% of the net rentals received from the property's subtenants. The lease defined the net rent as gross rentals from actual tenants, less certain expenses. These expenses included taxes, insurance, management fees, and depreciation. Hudesman took possession of the property. After several years, Hudesman developed a shopping center and leased it to several subtenants. Berg sued Hudesman, claiming Hudesman incorrectly calculated the net rent he owed. According to Berg, Hudesman should include all receipts from the subtenants in the gross rentals and could deduct only the expenses specified in the lease. Berg moved for partial summary judgment, asking the court to declare that his formula for net rent applied. The court granted the motion because the lease was clear and unambiguous. Berg's requested formula matched the formula in the lease. Hudesman asked the court to either vacate or modify its order. Hudesman provided affidavits about the lease's drafting, evidencing a different formula. Berg again filed for summary judgment, asking the court to order Hudesman to pay the amount from the formula set with the court's previous order. The trial court granted Berg's motion and refused Hudesman's request to vacate or modify, noting the affidavits were extrinsic evidence inadmissible to modify the unambiguous lease. The Washington Court of Appeals reversed in part, modifying the formula. Berg appealed to the Washington Supreme Court.